ever heard of Captain Franz Koch's grand masterpiece? It's none other than Rembrandt's legendary The Night Watch. From its commission in 1639 to surviving centuries of attacks and damage, this iconic artwork has a tale to tell. Attacked 3 times over the years by individuals with mental illnesses, it's a wonder The Night Watch still stands tall. But thanks to advanced imaging techniques and AI, this painting is getting a new lease on life. In a groundbreaking restoration project in 2019, AI joined forces with a team of 25 restorers to meticulously analyze and restore the painting. Capturing high-resolution images, AI revealed hidden complexities and guided the restoration process with unparalleled precision. But here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. AI isn't just analyzing. It's reconstructing missing parts of the artwork. With sophisticated algorithms trained on Rembrandt's style, AI brings lost elements back to life, ensuring the artwork remains true to its original state. From analyzing to reconstructing, AI's integration into the restoration workflow is revolutionizing the preservation of our artistic treasures.